Right, welcome to the channel. Here we've got a Vauxhall Antara. Door handle's broken. As you can see, goes in like that, and this part's all snapped off. So, got a new one here. It's meant to be genuine part, GM. I don't know whether it is. Someone might just put a sticker on there. Who knows? Let's take it out of the bag and have a quick look what we've got. This was 30 quid on eBay. Does it look the same? Yeah, it's got the same little markings there. There's any part numbers on it. Don't know. Right, so let's have an attempt at fitting it. I've got a little cover here. I'm just going to ping that off and see what's behind it. Might be some sort of release thing for that. Okay. We're going to undo that screw. Let me just get the tool. I need one of these torques. This is a T30. I've just undone it. Pulled it back. So then hopefully this is going to release out. Like so. Let's just move that out of the way. I'm going to try to get the handle in there. Well, you just put it in there, slot it in there, and go left with it. I'm guessing we just push this back in there, pull the handle out a little bit so it slips behind it, pop the screw back in, and hopefully that's it. If it's that quick, that's only taken me no more than 3 minutes. Which I was expecting, I thought I might have to take the whole door card off. Let's try it. Well, there you go. Easy as that. Pop the cover back on. Job's done. Okay, thanks for watching. If this video has helped you out, please give us a thumbs up and a like. And thanks for watching.